Tip 1. Clean your car. One of the first things you should do is clean your car. This includes both the inside and outside. A clean car will be more appealing to potential buyers and will make it easier to sell. Tip 2. Take good photos. Once your car is clean, it's time to take some good photos. This is one of the most important things you can do to sell your car. Be sure to take photos from all angles and in good lighting. Tip 3. Write an accurate description. Your car description should be accurate and informative. Include all of the relevant information about your car, such as the make, model, year, mileage, condition, and any features. Tip 4. Set a realistic price. It's important to set a realistic price for your car. You can do this by researching the value of similar cars in your area. You can also use online pricing tools to get an estimate. Tip 5. Advertise your car. Once you have your car cleaned, photographed, and described, it's time to start advertising it. You can list your car online, in newspapers, or in classified ads. You can also put a for sale sign in your car window. Tip 6. Be prepared to negotiate. It's likely that potential buyers will want to negotiate the price of your car. Be prepared for this and have a bottom line in mind. Tip 7. Be honest and upfront. It's important to be honest and upfront with potential buyers about the condition of your car. Disclose any known problems or defects. Tip 8. Close the deal. Once you've found a buyer, it's time to close the deal. This includes signing a sales contract and exchanging payment and the title. Bonus tips: consider selling your car to a private buyer. You can often get a better price selling to a private buyer than selling to a dealership. Be prepared to walk away from the deal. If you're not happy with the offer, don't be afraid to walk away. There are other buyers out there. Get everything in writing. This includes the sales contract, payment terms, and any warranties that are being offered. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any other questions about selling a car, please leave them in the comments below. Additional tips: be flexible with your schedule. Be willing to meet with potential buyers at their convenience. Be patient. It may take some time to find the right buyer for your car. Be professional. Dress appropriately and be courteous when dealing with potential buyers. Selling a car can be a hassle, but it's worth it to get the best possible price. By following these tips, you can make the process easier and more profitable.